Hello everyone! So this is the preview for September 13 Retail Minute insert. So we will be getting a $3 off for any L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner. And here are some of the L'Oreal coupon also. So we'll be getting $5 off. You'll be getting $2 off and $2 off for L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Cosmetic. And in the other page, more of the L'Oreal product. And then we'll be getting also $2 off for any Garnier and Whole Blend. And we'll be getting also $3 off for any 2 Garnier shampoo and conditioner. And then $4 off for any 2 Garnier Whole Blend. And then $2.25 for 12 1.4 pouch for cat food. And then some of the Garnier product will be getting $4 off, $5 off, $2 off, and there is $2 off for Garnier Skin Active Micellar Water. And then we'll be getting $2 off for L'Oreal Paris Face Cosmetic, $2.50 off for L'Oreal Paris Mascara, and $2 off for L'Oreal Paris Lip Product. And then $1 off when you buy 3 for pierogies. And 65 cents for Domino's Golden Sugar. And if you want to order some of the insert, you can follow the G Family Ramos in their Facebook page. And you will see their information also on how you can order a insert. And here are some of the coupon for Acme. And in the last page is $1 off for any Drake's product. So this is the J Family Ramos Facebook page, and the September 13 insert is available, and he will ship it on September 8. So thank you so much.